Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best drone with 4K camera under $200 on AliExpress you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best drone with 4K camera, I have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. XKJ New Mini 4K drone. Brand name, XKJ. Give you a richer aerial photography experience. Simple flight system. You can fly it too. 4K HD camera pixel. Folding drone body only 8 centimeters. Easy tape by only one hand. Creation as your wish is the life of director. Light and small body, long playing time. A single battery can make it 13 minutes of flight time, which is longer than other most consumer drones of the same type. Flying is more freedom, shooting is more leisurely. With 4K film level camera, 4K HD, a 40 million pixel, 120 degree super wide angle shot. Took photo by beauty camera, it is more amazing. Lansenxi LSRC GPS HD 4K drone. Brand name, Lansenxi. GPS accurate positioning, 4K pixel level pixel. Innovative body design, more stable and faster. Flight time 25 minute. Flight speed 16 meters per second. Long battery life, modular battery 11.1 volt 1800 milliamperes. The distance of the map is about 800 meters, and the remote control range is about 1800 meters. GPS optical flow mode is free to switch. Indoor flight, freely switch optical flow dual mode. Easily take a clear photo. Laumox GPS dual camera 4K drone. Brand name, Laumox. Functions, foldable, sideward flight, turn left, right, up down, forward, backward, altitude hold, one key takeoff landing, Wi-Fi FPV, headless mode, auto return, waypoint flight, surround flight, follow me. The Wi-Fi 4K camera enables you to have a further real-time images transmission image for fantastic video picture taking. With attractive headless mode, completely solving pilot loss of orientation problems. GPS positioning mode provides a more accurate flight. One key taking off, landing, stop makes the operation more convenient, and it is very suitable for novice operation. Automatic return function. The plane will return automatically when battery voltage is low or out of control range. Surround action will enable the aircraft flying in a circle, providing cooler shooting perspective, outdoors only. Follow me. The aircraft will fix the controlling cell phone and follow the operator whichever direction he moves, outdoors only. Waypoint route mode. Just draw a route on the screen. The copter will autopilot as the given path, outdoors only. Eachine RC Quadcopter drone. Brand name, Eachine. Foldable arms, small size, easily fit in your pocket, easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides a more accurate flight. There have 3 cameras can be choose with 720p 1080p 4K wide angle camera, give wide high definition pictures and video. Follow me. The aircraft will fix the controlling cell phone and follow the operator whichever direction he moves. Waypoint flight mode. Just draw a route on the screen. The copter is the give path. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. Let you no longer worry about letting you control uncomfortable directions, and easily control the drone. One key automatic return. Eachine E520S pocket drone features a function that enables it to find its way back automatically. With one click, the drone will return to its original point, no matter where it was flying. 6-axis gyroscope. This feature helps you to achieve better stability and effortless control while flying the drone. Though small in size, it is designed to provide high-grade photography and videography experience. -3 level flight speed. It can make more fun with the flying. Cevennesfe GPS 4K HD drone. Brand name, Cevennesfe. 2-axis stabilization. Click pictures from innovative angles with this mini drone's 2-axis stabilization mechanical pan tilt feature. The pan tilt camera helps you to achieve a tilt angle of 110 while the vertical photography angle is -90 + 20. One-click operation. You can command the aircraft to take off, land and even return from a distance with just a single click. When summoned back, the drone will come to the original location from where it took off. Gesture recognition. When you make a gesture looking at the drone camera, standing 1-3 m away from it, it will click your picture. The aircraft smartly recognizes the gesture and instantly turns your happy moments into everlasting memories. Fixed point surround. Now shoot cool videos with this professional drone without any additional effort. Fix a point and then set the radial distance with a joystick and watch the drone take videos encircling the selected object. Share pictures and videos easily. These amazing quadcopter drones let you share pictures and videos as well. While you can share multiple pictures, one video can be shared at a time. Explore new places and amp up your videography skills with the NWE SG906 Pro 4K HD camera drone. It can fly for 25 minutes continuously and shoot amazing HD videos at 25 frames per second. The quadcopter also boasts an excellent video resolution of 20481080 and picture resolution of 40963072.